Today we'll be working on a vinyl window sash to remove and replace vinyl glazing bead. This project requires a hammer, chisel, tape measure, clamp, saw, wood block, and safety glasses. Begin by placing the sash flush against a clamped piece of wood to keep it in place while you work. Wedge the chisel between the frame and the edge of the glazing bead. Then use a hammer and tap the face of the chisel to separate the glazing from the sash frame. Work the chisel and hammer up the frame until the two are completely separated. Repeat on each side of the sash. To determine your replacement, compare the style and dimensions to the options available in the SWISCO catalog. Using your old glazing bead, measure and mark the length needed for your replacement piece. Clamp the strip down, then use a saw to cut it to the desired length. Place the new cut along the frame of the sash. Then use a wood block and hammer to snap the back leg into place. Repeat on each side. For this vinyl glazing bead and more, visit us at SWISCO.com.